In today's video, I will walk you through how to edit default theme content in Shopify. To begin, look at the menu on the left side of your Shopify dashboard. From the available options, click on Online Store. This section contains the settings and customization options related to how your store appears to customers. After selecting Online Store, a submenu will appear. From that list, click on Themes. This will take you to the page where your installed themes are displayed, including the theme that is currently active on your store. Once you are in the Themes section, locate your active theme. Next to the theme, you will see a three-dot menu icon. Click on this icon to open additional options related to that theme. When the menu appears, select Edit Default Theme Content. This option opens the area where you can modify the default text used throughout your Shopify theme. After opening the default theme content editor, you can begin reviewing the text that appears across different parts of your store. This includes messages, labels, buttons, and other text elements that are built into the theme. As you move through the available content, click into the text fields you want to change and replace the existing wording with your preferred text. You can adjust the language to better match your store's style and branding. Continue reviewing the available content and make any edits you need. If there are specific labels, button texts, messages, or other default phrases you would like to update, simply edit them directly within the corresponding fields. Take your time to go through the content carefully and ensure the wording matches what you want your customers to see while browsing your store. Since these changes affect the text displayed on your site, it is important to review each edit before finalizing it. Once you have completed your updates and are satisfied with the changes, save your edits. This will apply the updated text to your Shopify store, and that's all there is to it. By navigating to Online Store, opening Themes, selecting the three-dot menu on your active theme and choosing Edit Default Theme Content, you can quickly customize the default text used throughout your Shopify store and make it better reflect your brand. Thank you for watching.